The Thirsty Crow. Once upon a time, there was a thirsty crow searching everywhere for water. After flying around for a while, he finally spotted a pitcher. Excitedly, he swooped down, only to find that the water inside was too low for him to reach. Determined to drink, the crow devised a clever plan. He picked up pebbles, one by one, and dropped them into the pitcher. Gradually, the water rose to the neck of the pitcher. At last, the crow was able to drink his fill and then flew away happily. The moral of the story is, where there's a will, there's a way.